G'day everyone, Jimmy here from Cost Effective Maintenance. Just wanted to show you how easy it is just to use the Xtroll. We've got a bit of old rusted gear here. Give it a quick clean up and show you a before and after. Righto, we'll get started. Rightio guys, that's all done. Very easy to put a coat of Xtroll on these and cover all the rust up. Probably 24 hours to dry. We'll have a look tomorrow, make sure all the rusted areas are coated up and make sure it's got a nice good finish. As you can see, those really heavily rusted areas of the Xtroll's absorbed in there. It's got a bit of a shiny finish in a few areas, but that'll dull down over time. You could even give it a second coat if you wanted a real shiny finish, but as you can see, mate, for any heavily rusted areas, it's perfect for stopping the rust, sealing it off, and you can even paint over if you need to. For further information, visit our website at costeffective.com.au.